Mirella Vera. Mirella Vera.
Screens flicker over moving faces, color racing through the room. You lean into the open sound like the night arrived too soon. No breaks inside the moment, no reason to rewind. We let the tempo set the speed and leave the rest behind.
No signals asking questions, no answers left to find. The flow keeps pulling forward out of time. When the lights move, I move with you. When the lights move, nothing stands between. Yeah, when the lights move, we don't slow down. When the lights move, we stay unseen. We stay unseen.
Bodies cutting through the bass, heat locking every frame. Each step lands exactly right without a name. No shadows from before, no weight we have to claim. Just motion folding into motion, all the same.
When the lights move, I move with you. When the lights move, nothing stands between. Yeah, when the lights move, we don't slow down. When the lights move, we stay unseen. We stay unseen.
Later when the noise dissolves and streets begin to breathe, we'll still feel the alignment we didn't need to keep.
No need to hold the night, no proof of what it meant. What lived inside the mood.